So now, how many counts before you take a break? 5 to 7?
5.
Okay, let's do 5. Open the candy banani. And don't forget to breathe your nose. Okay, candy banani, I hope you like the flavor. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hold on. I'm just gonna put the sealant.
Not already.
Yeah.
Wow, that is nice.
Yeah, because you are awesome. Open big, 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 big. Yeah. Okay, so now this is the blue light. Can you see it? This blue light makes all the sealants strong, and if they are strong, we are done. I'm going to put the vitamin that makes your teeth nice and strong. Good job.